Hi everyone, today we are going to discuss the topic track to effect. Okay, so track to effect, the force is required to move a vehicle from the rest position to moving condition. So మనకు track to effect అంటే ఏంది? Okay, so దాని గురించి మనం చూద్దాం. Okay, so track to effect nothing but the force is required to move vehicle from the rest position to moving condition. సో మనకు ఏదైతే ఓకే సో మనకేంది ఒక వెహికల్ అనేది ఓకే సో నెక్స్ట్ పొజిషన్ నుంచి మూవింగ్ కండిషన్స్కి వెళ్ళాలి ఫోర్స్ అంటే ట్రాక్ టు ఎఫెక్ట్. సో ఇట్స్ డిపెండ్ అపాన్ ది లోడ్ ఆన్ ది వెహికల్, రోడ్ కండిషన్, ఫ్యూయల్ ఆర్ ఎలక్ట్రిసిటీ క్వాలిటీ. ఓకే సో మనకు మూవ్మెంట్ అవ్వడానికి ఓకే సో మనకేంది హెవీ లోడ్స్ ఉందనుకోండి తక్కువ మూవ్మెంట్, తక్కువ లోడ్ ఉందనుకోండి ఎక్కువ మూవ్మెంట్ ఉంటుంది. ఓకే సో అండ్ ఎలక్ట్రికల్ సో రోడ్ కండిషన్స్ ఓకే సో మనకు సో రోడ్ కండిషన్స్ బట్టి కూడా ఏంటంటే ఈ మూమెంట్ అనేది కూడా డిఫరెంట్. ఓకే సో ద ఫోర్స్ రిక్వైర్డ్ టు మూవ్ వెహికల్ ఫ్రమ్ ది రెస్ట్ పొజిషన్ టు మూవింగ్ కండిషన్ ఇస్ కాల్డ్ ది ట్రాక్ టు ఎఫెక్ట్. Okay, so it is the force deployed okay in terms of trains తీసుకుంటే okay it is the force deployed by the traction motors at wheel rims to move the train. Okay, so in the trains తీసుకున్నప్పుడు it the force developed by the traction motors at wheels rims to move the train. సో మూవ్మెంట్ ఉండడానికి ట్రైన్స్ అవుతుంది ఫోర్స్ అవుతుంది ట్రాక్ టు ఎఫెక్ట్ అంట. ఓకే సో వాట్ ఈస్ ద నెసెసిటీ? సో నెసెసిటీ అంటే ఓకే సో వాట్ ఈస్ ద నెసెసిటీ ఆఫ్ ది ట్రాక్? సో ట్రాక్ టు ఎఫెక్ట్ లేకపోతే ఓకే సో ఉంటే ఏమవసరం ఓకే సో నీడ్ ఏంది? సో ద ట్రాక్ టు ఎఫెక్ట్ డెవలప్ ది ఎలక్ట్రికల్ మోటార్స్ బై కన్సిడరింగ్ ఎలక్ట్రికల్ ఇన్స్ట్రుమెంట్ ఆన్ ది ఫాలోయింగ్ వే. ఓకే సో ట్రాక్ టు ఎఫెక్ట్ developed by the electric motors by consuming electrical energy is spent in the following ways. Okay, first to give the necessary linear angular acceleration in the train mass. Okay, so when given the force developed by the traction motor the wheel. Okay, so it represented by the letter F. Okay, so it represented by letter F, and to give the necessary linear and angular acceleration train. Okay, just we are considering the FA. Okay, to overcome the frictional resistance of the train at the level track, that is the FR, and to overcome the gravitational force, that is the FG. So the total track to effort required to the train propulsion is sum of the track to effort overcome the acceleration, track to effort overcome the gravitational force, and track to effort come to the train resistance. Okay, so FE, okay, track to effort FE is equal to acceleration, track to overcome the acceleration, gravitational force, and train resistance. Okay, so these are so here the track of the acceleration, the force required to give linear acceleration to the train is given by the acceleration force, that is the F is equal to mass into acceleration, that is a mass. Okay, 1000 watts into alpha into 1000 by 3600. So here 277.8 so here the W1 is the here W is the track to rotational inertia, okay, effort of rotational inertia, okay, and alpha is the newtons. Okay, so when the speed of the train is being changed, okay, it behaves as a mass greater than its dead weight. So here acceleration, when the speed of the train is being changed, it behaves as the mass greater than its dead weight. Okay, so here this is due to the angular speed variation in the rotational parts. So on a train movement time, so dead weights can be equivalent. Okay, so weight is different. So this is due to the angular speed rotation of the rotating parts. సో స్పీడ్ అండ్ డిఫరెంట్ టర్మ్స్ అని మనకు ఉంటుంది. ఓకే, సో మనకు మోటార్స్ నుంచి మూమెంట్ వరకు ట్రైన్ వచ్చే వరకు సో స్పీడ్ అనేది వేరే అవుతుంటుంది. ఓకే, షాఫ్ట్ టు ఓకే సో షాఫ్ట్ నుంచి ప్రొడ్యూస్ అయితే ఓకే సో ఇఫ్ లీనియర్ యాక్సిలేషన్ ఈజ్ F meters by second square. Okay, the angulations rotate by having the radius of the gyration or meters is okay F by R radius per second square. So if I is the moment of the inertia of rotating masses, F is the force of the wheel. Okay, so then the torque F into R is equal to I into F by R. Okay, so I is the moment of the inertia, that's we are considering, that's why it's the I into F by R. So F is equal to, that is the force is equal to I into F by R square. Okay, so here this additional mass is expressed by the percent of dead weight of the train, that is the varied from the 8% to 15 percentage. So here the effect of the weight, okay, train. So here WE is the consideration motor translation train motion of the rotation of wheels, axle, armature of the motor. Yes. Okay. So here FA is equal to, okay, 277 point W alpha newtons. Okay, and 277.9.8. Okay, this is for gravitational force. Okay, so we'll considering the, so newtons nunchi kgs. Okay, so kgs nunchi consideration cheste, so manaku W is equal to W1 plus W. Okay, so where W1 is the effect of the rotational inertia. Okay, so W is the dead weight and W is the effect of rotational inertia. Okay, so acceleration are different. So accelerations different of this okay, so first the in case of, okay, so goods తీసుకుంటే, okay, 0.21 to 0.29 kilometer per hour per second. Okay, అదే parcels 0.35 to 0.53 kilometer per hour per second. And passengers తీసుకుంటే 0.53 to 1.8 kilometer per hour per second. Suburban service 1.08 to 2.16 kilometer per kilometer second. And metropolitan, okay, so urbans, urban or metropolitan, so both are same, so 2.16 to 3.16 kilometer per hour per second. Okay, so track to effect and gravitation. Okay, if it draw like this, so track effect to overcome the gravitational pull. Okay, so gravitational force overcome. Okay, so if you take, so we can observe that. Okay, so here when the train is moving on the upgrade, okay, so here we consideration, that is when train is moving, okay, to the upgraded, so theta is angle. Okay, so theta, okay, this is the theta inclination of gradient, and W is the train mass in tons. Okay, so here's the mass. Okay, the train is moves with the mass W, and the result into W cosine theta. Okay, so if you have mass, okay, so if train is there, train wheels, that's W tan theta and height. Okay, this is the height, it goes to the train is going to the up gradient side, and W cos theta and W sin theta. Okay, so W mass is W is going to the 2, that's W cos theta and W sin theta. Okay, so so here W sin theta and W cos theta. Okay, the W cos theta is the perpendicular direction of the motion. Okay, so perpendicular direction of the motion, that is perpendicular, this is the perpendicular. And train, okay, it has an effect on the its motion, but when coming to the W sin theta, okay, oppose the motion of the train. Okay, it will oppose, okay, this force oppose the motion. Okay, this is the direction, so it will not affect the motion. Okay, but this weight will affect the motion direction. Okay, so in order to overcome this opposition, okay, track to effect required to the given. Okay, so ఈ ఫోర్స్ అవుతుంది, సో ఈ ఓవర్స్ని ఓవర్కమ్ చేయడానికి ఏంటంటే మనకు ట్రాక్ టు ఎఫెక్ట్ అనేది అవసరం. ఓకే, సో ట్రాక్ టు ఎఫెక్ట్ ఇస్ దట్ ఈస్ ది గ్రావిటేషనల్ పుల్, దట్ ఈస్ FG is equal to 1000 W into 9.81 sin theta. Okay, so sin theta, so newtons. Okay, so in railway, so when train goes to the upgraded component, dead weight of train is passed back. Okay, so that we have discussed. Okay, so F is equal to FG is equal to 1000 into W sin theta 9.2 newtons. Okay, G is equal to, okay, gravitational sin theta into 100. Okay, so here the by substitute equation 2 in 1 will get the G by 100 into 9.81, so 9.98.1 into W into G. Okay, so train is resistance due to the track to front. Okay, train resistance, all forces which oppose the motion of the train will track. Okay, friction forces and internal rolling stocks and journals, axial guides. Okay, so these are the track to front. Okay, the train resistor. Okay, so bogies provide the buffers. So these are the External. Okay, if you take the external things, that is the rolling stuff, friction between the wheels or rails, and flank friction, resistance as a result, temporary deflection of track, and aerodynamic drag. So these are the some of the track work of the train resistance. We need the gear of this. Okay, so natural of ballast, aerodynamic drag, pressure drag, okay, frictional drag. So end resistance we take, okay, head resistance, tail resistance. So these are coming to the in the overcome the frictional resistance. Okay, so track effort overcome the friction resistance given by F1 into 1 WR. Okay, so W is the weight and R is the race train. So train tons, R is the train resistance. So here total track effort is given in run train on the tracks, that is Ft is equal to Fa plus or minus Fg plus Fr. Okay, acceleration, gravitational and resistance. Okay, so this is a total track effort, that is Fa equal to acceleration, gravitational pull and train resistance. Okay, so that will get to the 277.8 W alpha plus or minus this is the gravitational pull, that is 9.81 Wg, and resistance that is a plus 9.8 WR. Okay, so positive time is required to the train movement, the up gradient, and negative sign movement is down. So here, so మనకి డైరెక్షన్, ఓకే, సో ఈ గ్రావిటేషనల్ పుల్ అనేది అవుతుందో, ఓకే, సో గ్రావిటేషన్ అనేది అప్ సైడ్కి వెళ్ళిందంటే ప్లస్, ఓకే, సో డౌన్ సైడ్కి ఉందనుకోండి నెగిటివ్. సో starting friction, starting friction called the friction at with the train running the friction. Okay, starting time in the, so the starting friction. Okay, depend on the starting condition of the train, and if the inter vehicle couple the tension up gradient will be high. So next starting higher position, so many resistance offered by the train also is the high. If vehicles coupler are compression, okay, so downside downstream, okay, so starting will be low. సో మనకు ఎత్ హై పాయింట్స్కి వెళ్తుంటే రెసిస్టెన్స్ ఎక్కువ అవుతుంది, సో మనకు లో పాయింట్స్కి వెళ్తుంటుందంటే రెసిస్టెన్స్ అని తక్కువ. ఓకే, సో సిగ్నల్ షుడ్ బి రీప్లేస్ ద signal should not be placed at the upgraded. Even on level tracks it's better to practice the move back locomotive few meters to release the inter-vehicle tension. Okay, the above method is adopted to reduce the starting resistance. Okay, so మనకు starting position space చేసుకొని మనకి ఓకే, సో దట్ ఈస్ అ ట్రాక్టివ్ ఎఫెక్ట్ ఇస్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఎఫ్ఏ ప్లస్ ఎఫ్జీ ప్లస్ ఎఫ్. సో మనకి ట్రాక్టివ్ ఎఫెక్ట్ అవుతుంది, సో దాని ఏంటంటే యాక్సిలేషన్, gravitational, train resistance గా తీసుకుంటాం. Okay, so here the value will get it. Okay, so here that Ft is equal to 277 W alpha plus or minus 9.81 into Wg plus W into R. R is the resistance. Okay, upgrade, negative 75 downgrade. So here power output from the drive. So it is a P is equal to work done by ton, force into distance by time. So tract effect speed that will get. Okay, if the tractive Newton speed, then the output will be driven. Okay, so that is the formula for the power at the axis. So this will be for the different types of powers outputs. Okay, and we'll have some of the problems we'll have. Okay, so this will come for the short answers, okay, and part big questions. Okay.